Hi, I've had a number of requests for my pico recipe, so this is how I do pico. This batch has got 8 tomatoes, 4 bell peppers, green, red, orange, and yellow. You got 4 limes juiced, half bundle of cilantro, about a half cup of fine chopped cilantro, 3 stalks of celery, 1 Cascabella pepper. You can't buy them in the store, so a jalapeno or a Serano will work, or a mixture of the two. About an 1/8 inch to a 1/2 inch teaspoon, depending on your taste. Some people like it hotter, some don't. 1 red onion, about a medium sized one, and then salt to taste. So we've got tomatoes, limes, peppers, cilantro, onion, bell peppers, celery. This is a Cascabella pepper that I grew myself and dried, so I will be using that instead of the fresh peppers. Fresh peppers are always better unless you've got Cascabellas of any side. And then salt to neutralize the acid. The acid of the tomatoes and the limes needs something caustic to neutralize. Some people use sugar, but that doesn't neutralize the acid. That just tries to cover it up and makes it taste bad to my taste buds. So salt, ordinary table salt. So finely dice everything, dump it in the bowl. And once you've got it dumped in the bowl, you can take the last of the ingredients. It takes a bit of salt to neutralize the acid. So this is probably about 2 tablespoons for this batch. And I like my pico a little bit warmer, so I will use a pinch. That's about a 1/2 teaspoon of Cascabella peppers, and then stir it up. Once you've got it stirred up good, the only way to tell if it's any good is to taste it.